Here's some news you could use, guys. So my bobbin thread was looking like this. My needle thread, however, was looking like this. So what I did was I examined my machine from the thread holder down through this threader, down through the tension guides, and my problem was right here. The thread was behind the tension guide rather than in the tension guide, and that's why my threads look like that. So it's always a good idea to re-thread your machine if you find that the bobbin thread is looking like that. Also, you would want to check your bobbin case to make sure that your bobbin is seated properly in the bobbin section. Also, you can make sure that your needle is in the needle bar correctly. Also, you can make sure that your bobbin is wound properly. If it's not tight enough, then you need to take all that thread off that bobbin and rewind or wind a fresh one. I hope you find this helpful. My problems don't have to be your problems. See you soon.